Joe Beermaster, the Car Master. Today we have a 2008 Porsche Cayenne. I'm going to show you a real quick tutorial. We're already in the process of how to get the airbag out. I'm going to replace it. First thing you want to do is, anytime you're working on an airbag, you want to disconnect the battery. So disconnect the battery first. You want to take the lower column cover off. You have to take some screws out to access it. Then on the inside, there's these little holes, right and left side. And the trick to this is to put a screwdriver in that hole and then push outward. But a regular screwdriver might not work. So I bent a screwdriver. See this? I bent it. And then you stick it in that hole. And you got it. Sometimes it takes a long time, but with the bent screwdriver, it gives you a lot of leeway. Otherwise, you're going to be hitting the dash panel. And then it makes it pop out. You're going to do both. There's one on each side, so do both. And then we're just going to disconnect from there. Everything, of course, with the battery off. And then install the new one. That's it. Joe Beermaster, the Car Master. Thanks for watching, but the key is having a bent screwdriver, or I guess Porsche might have a tool for that. Bent that in a vise. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.